texturing your milk is incredibly important, so that's why today I really want to focus on it. We find that a lot of our customers really struggle to pick up texture in the milk, and it is such a crucial part of making your coffee incredible. Your customers will come back, you'll get amazing feedback, and that's why we really want to help you guys on just getting that spot on. So we're just going to again take it step by step, work our way through it, and by the end of this video you should be making some badass milk. Okay, so now going to jump on the machine and basically just run you through step by step. But one of the really important things with the machine and with your technique is steam pressure. So I'm going to show you that you need a machine that produces really good, nice, strong steam pressure. So if any of you are trying this out at home on your home machines, please bear in mind that the domestic machines normally tend to not have as much steam pressure, so it's not quite as powerful. So when I tell you to texture your milk for a certain amount of seconds, you might have to actually increase that amount of seconds depending on how sort of powerful your steam pressure is. But I'm gonna sort of I'll tell you about that, and I'll give you some tips and tricks. Okay, so let's jump on the machine.
If you go, let's jump on the machine. And then go like, I'll turn the camera with it, and we'll do like a clever transition with it.
Okay.
It'll look good, I promise. Okay.
Okay, so let's jump on the machine. Whoa, I've landed. Touchdown. So what you want to do is think about what milk you're going to be texturing. So whether you're going to be doing latte milk or cappuccino milk. So they're the two main styles of milk. Obviously you've got flat white as well, which mixes it up a little bit, but it's very similar to your latte texture. The main one we're going to be focusing on today is latte milk, because cappuccino milk is fine, but say latte milk really is the most important one, and lattes are definitely the most popular drink in our cafes at the moment. So lattes and flat whites. So this is definitely the main one for you guys to focus on for now. Okay, so a really good tip is whatever jug you're using, pour the milk in so it's just touching the bottom of the spout. So you want about that much milk in the jug when it's cold. Okay, make sure it's just come out of the fridge, it's nice and cold, it's not sort of at room temperature, and it's not like left it on the machine or anything stupid. So just make sure it's fresh and cold, and then you'll be good to go. So always give your steam arm a good purge. So just give it a blast, get out any water that's collected in the steam arm, pull the steam arm out towards you, and then now I like to use the side of the machine because it always it works as a really nice guide, and especially when you're starting out, it will really help you. So just pop the steam arm so it's resting in the spout of the jug, and then just slowly push it down until the tip of the steam arm just goes into the milk. Then what you want to do is work out whether you feel comfortable turning the jug and having the tip of the steam arm on one side or the other. So you should just be able to go straight there, boom, bang it straight on. So just really try and get practicing, even just stand in front of the machine, just keep doing this until you get it right every time, and that will really speed up your process when you're texturing your milk. So we're now going to flip it all the way up. And what we want is this nice texturing noise. So we only want this for about 4 to 5 seconds for this size jug. And then we're literally just going to touch it in the tiniest bit, which will then stop the milk from texturing anymore. And then I'm just going to wait for it to get too hot to touch on my hand, and then turn the milk straight off again. So that's all it is, nice and easy. Then give it a wipe with your cloth. Give it a purge straight away before you do anything with your milk. Now, bang your milk to get your bubbles out, give your milk a polish, and then obviously you have your lovely fresh espresso on the machines. You just grab that in the other hand and just slowly pour. But you can see how silky and shiny the milk is, and it's just so easy and simple doing it this way. There you go, nice and sexy, just like our cameraman Henry.
Okay, let's.
I hope you enjoyed this badass latte art breakdown. Please subscribe and watch some of our other videos. I've now got a lot of clearing up to do because with great latte art comes a lot of mess, especially with me. So always keep on top of your mess. That's why I've got this little bad boy. Oh yeah, let's get cleaning. Over and out.